So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. Okay, so this problem is basically you are given integer n and array numbers with length n plus 1, generate the follow. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, and the 2i is I. Okay, so the third tell you that the even number should be, so once you encounter even number, right, you should divide it by 2. And for the odd number, basically is I plus I, 2i plus 1 is I plus I plus 1. So this is the recursion formula for for the formula, right, for this series. Okay, so let me check for you. So 0, 1, right, 2. So every time you encounter even number, you should divide it by 2. Okay, so we can first see I define f of n to be the series. So n is 0, then just return 0. If n is 1, just return 1. If n is divided by 2, that means n is even number, just return the f n divided by 2. If n is odd, then just return n minus 1 divided by 2. So this is I, right? And n plus 1 divided by 2, which is I plus 1. Okay, so once we can see this example, so for 3, you just 1 plus 2. So you can see it's basically these two terms. So you get 2. 4, right? Once you encounter the even number, just divide by 2, you get 2, right? So 5, you get 2 plus 3. The 2 and 3, you get 3, right? So finally, you get the 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. So you get this, right? And we return the maximum, which is 3. Okay, so what I did is I just brute force calculate this sequence, and I create an empty list. So basically, this list is basically this list. Okay. And for I in range n plus 1, so remember that this is the inclusive, right? So we need to go up to n plus 1 and L append f of I, and we return the maximum L. Okay, so this solves the problem. Okay, nice. I will see you guys in our videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.